How to connect Shopify with Amazon. Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to link your Shopify store with Amazon step by step. If you want to expand your online business and start selling your products on Amazon straight from Shopify, you're in the right place. Be sure to stick with me until the end so you don't miss any key steps. All right, let's kick things off by opening your Shopify dashboard and head over to the bottom left corner of the dashboard. Click on Apps. Now you won't see the app we need listed right away, so scroll down and click on Find More Apps in the Shopify App Store. This will open a new tab with the Shopify App Store. In the search bar at the top, type SPREADR. We're looking for an app called Spreader, Amazon Importer. Once you find it, click on the app. It'll take you to the Spreader app page where you'll see an option to add app. Click on that. You'll then be redirected back to Shopify. Choose your store if prompted, and then click Install App. After that, you'll see a free trial approval screen. Go ahead and approve it. Now you'll be taken into the Spreader dashboard, and from here, you can start importing Amazon products directly into your Shopify store. Now, before we start importing products, there's an important step we need to take first. We need to make sure we're part of the Amazon Associates program. If you haven't joined yet, just search for Amazon Associates in your browser, or click on the Amazon Associates link inside the Spreader app. It will take you to their official site. Since I already have an account, it's taking me directly to the sign-in page. But if you're new, you'll need to go through a quick sign-up process. It's free and pretty straightforward. Once you're signed in, the next thing we need is your Amazon Affiliate ID, also called the Store ID. To find it, go into your Amazon Associates dashboard and navigate to your account settings. There you'll see your store ID listed. That's the code we'll need. Now go back into the Spreader app and head over to the Settings section. Look for the field that says Amazon Affiliate Tag. This is where we'll paste that ID. So copy the store ID from Amazon Associates, return to Spreader, paste it into the field, and then click Save. Once that's done, Spreader will be fully connected to your Amazon affiliate account, and any products you import will automatically include your affiliate tag. That means you'll earn commissions on any qualifying purchases made through your Shopify store. After saving the settings, refresh your Spreader dashboard to make sure everything is updated. Spreader will process the link and pull all the necessary details, including the product title, description, images, and price. It's then going to link Amazon with your Shopify store, embedding your affiliate ID directly into the product link. This means whenever someone visits your Shopify store and clicks on that product, they'll be redirected to Amazon. And if they make a purchase, you'll earn a commission through your Amazon Associates account. And there you go. That's how you can connect your Shopify store to Amazon and start reaching a much larger audience with your products. If this video helped you out, feel free to hit the like button and drop your questions in the comments. I'm always here to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.